You know, everyone seems to have an opinion on the best way to lose weight, and it's overwhelming. You hear about high-intensity interval training, running marathons, yoga, Pilates, and then there's the whole debate about strength training versus cardio. It's like a never-ending cycle of information, and honestly, it can be paralyzing. But if you're looking to shed those pounds quickly, you have to cut through the noise and find what works for you. Let's start with the basics. Cardio is often touted as the go-to for weight loss. You can't argue with the science. It burns calories, and if you're in a calorie deficit, you're going to lose weight. But here's the catch. It has to be something you enjoy. If you dread running on a treadmill, you're not going to stick with it. So maybe it's cycling or swimming or even dancing. Find that rhythm that makes you forget you're exercising. Then there's strength training. I know you're thinking, how does lifting weights help me lose weight? But here's the thing. Muscle burns more calories at rest than fat does. So, while you might not see the scale drop dramatically at first, you're building a foundation that will help you burn more calories even when you're just sitting on the couch, binge-watching your favorite show. Plus, it tones your body. And who doesn't want to feel strong and confident? And let's not forget about the magic of high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. It's like the best of both worlds. Short bursts of intense activity followed by rest. You can get a killer workout in just 20 or 30 minutes, and it keeps your metabolism revved up long after you've finished. It's efficient, and for those of us with busy lives, that's a game changer. But here's the real kicker. Consistency is key. You can have the best workout plan in the world, but if you're not doing it regularly, it's not going to matter. Set realistic goals. Maybe it's 3 times a week to start. Find a buddy to hold you accountable, or join a class where you feel supported. And let's talk about nutrition. You can't out-exercise a bad diet. It's not just about what you do in the gym. It's also about what you put on your plate. Focus on whole foods, lean proteins, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Hydration is crucial too. Water is your best friend. So, choose the exercise that excites you, mix it up, and remember that it's a journey. Weight loss isn't just a number on a scale. It's about feeling good in your skin and embracing a healthier lifestyle. Find your groove, and let the rest fall into place.